chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the sun tonight. We're chasing the easy life. Easy life.
Hey family and frenzies, welcome back to our channel. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I hope you all are having a great day, and I hope you all are enjoying yourselves and relaxing for the day. I am at home, don't have any big plans or anything today, guys. We're just at home relaxing. I did go out early this morning. I wanted to visit the cemetery, and I took my mom some flowers. That's something that I do very often. You know, it's just hard. You know, it's hard going there and just, anyway. So yeah, we went to the cemetery this morning. I took my mom some flowers, and we went to the grocery store this morning just to pick up a couple of things. Sean is actually preparing a seafood boil today, which is exciting. So he just got finished fixing the sausage, and he has the corn on the cob boiling right now. And after that, I guess he's gonna start, oh no, the lobster tails is roasting in the oven right now as well. Yes, lobster, we're having some lobster tonight, y'all. So yeah, I'm just here, I'm downstairs. I'm about to edit a video that I recorded last week. And I'm gonna get that up for you guys. And yeah, I just wanted to pop on here and say hello. Hope you guys are doing well. And hold on one second, guys. Okay, guys, I wanted to bring you over here because somebody wanted to say Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mommies Day. To all you mammies, Happy Mommies Day. Yeah, I'll see y'all in a little while.
All right, so yeah, we're just relaxing, guys, and we're just enjoying ourselves here at home. No big plans or anything like that. So get you guys back up on the stand here. Okay, so y'all, these weekends be going by so fast. It seemed like it was just Friday, and now here it is. I have to go back to work tomorrow. That is crazy. I need a week vacation, but in reality, I can't take a week vacation right now. We do have a little vacation planned in July. I think in August. We do have a vacation planned in August, which is pretty much a pop-up vacation. We didn't plan on taking any big vacations this year, but we decided to go ahead and do something for my birthday / anniversary. Our anniversary is August 1st, and my birthday is August 2nd. So.
I planned it that way.
You heard Sean? He was like, he planned it that way. Yeah, he did. He planned it that way so that we can have
So I never forget. Ever.
of course, that's the main reason why you planned it that way. So he'll never forget. Of course, so he'll never forget. How can he forget
Can't get it wrong.
our anniversary and my birthday's the next day? Think he's slick. I know exactly why he wanted it that way. But hey, I don't care, because now we get to have a bigger birthday / anniversary bash. We always have to go big, right? So yeah, we have a nice little vacation planned, and of course I will be vlogging the whole thing. So that is very exciting, and it's gonna come faster than you know it, because this time is going by fast. It's already the second week of May. Isn't that crazy? Second week of May, guys. It seemed like May just started. And then the next thing you know, I can't even believe the kids are getting out of, well, down south, I think the kids get out of school this month, right? No, down south, they get out in May. The kids. We get out in June up here.
They get out in July. Well, yeah.
July?
No, you're right. You're right.
What planet you on? July.
I've been a kid for a long time. It don't matter to me.
He's crazy, guys. But yeah, I know the kids down there, they get out in May, like around the end of May, if I'm not mistaken, somewhere around there. I think the kids are probably getting ready for graduation right now. And our kids up here, up north, they getting out in June. I can't believe it's the end of the year already. This is crazy. Crazy. Time waits for no one, guys. It waits for no one. That's why I tell everybody, live your life, have fun, you know. And if you want to do something, if you're able to, just go ahead and do it. Because time waits for no one. No one at all. So, do you guys have any plans for the summer? Like, if you do, tell me what you're doing. List it in the comments. Let me know what you guys have planned for this summer. We're going to be fairly busy around, like, after we come back from vacation, it's going to really be grind time for us. Let me show you guys what he's doing over here. Okay, he's getting the crab legs ready to be steamed. That's the potatoes in there. Then we got the sausage right there. And then here's our corn. Yeah. Good old crab legs. I hope they're good. They look good. Look at that. Look how nice and meaty they are. Nice and meaty. Going in with the obey now, guys. Can't have crab legs without that obey. Guys, look at this little guy. Look at him. He's always coming in our backyard. Groundhogs. They don't bother you. They just bag you. Look at him. Look, he goes right down. They made a hole right under our shed. Look at him. Alright guys, I'm going to pop back on a little later. I'm going to sit here and edit this vlog I have that I want to upload today. And I will chat with y'all a little later. Alright guys, I'm back. Sean is actually preparing the roux for our seafood boil today. Okay, so here's the roux for our seafood boil. Honey, that one's kind of thick. That's thicker than the one that you usually make.
Yeah, because you wanted it a little thicker, so we just thinned it out. We thickened it up a little bit, add a little bit more flour. And then once the water and chicken broth go in here, it'll stretch out a little bit, so it'll be a little bit thick.
Oh, okay. Cool. So he just added some minced garlic to that. This is going to be the base to our seafood boil, you guys. So we're going to actually prepare our little bags individually, because like Noonie, she may not want her sauce with her seafood or whatever. So we're going to prepare our bags individually, and this way we can use as much or as little sauce as we need. You good? Oh. He had to check on the lobsters. I'm like, what happened? But yeah, so we're preparing the seafood separately, and then we're gonna prepare our own individual bags. This way we could customize our own bags and use whatever we want. So we got like I said, we got sausage, we got crab legs, we got corn, we have potatoes, and we have crawfish as well. Guys, you know I gotta have my crawfish. I forgot to tell y'all I had some crawfish in the last clip. And we got our lobster tails. So yeah, it's gonna be a really nice seafood boil. All right. Okay, so he just added chicken broth to the base for our seafood boil. That's looking real good. It's good?
Oh yeah. You won't like that.
You're making the base just like the gumbo base.
Yeah, I'm catering to you. I know you like the gumbo base in your seafood. So
Okay, I like
this
that.
ain't a typical regular base.
Okay.
You got a little gumbo going on.
You getting some more flour?
Yeah, just to thicken it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Just to thicken it up a little bit.
All right, it's coming along. I gotta give y'all a close-up of this. Look at this. Look at that. It's not set up yet, guys, but look at that. Look at that. Okay, so I see. Yeah, the flour thickened that up nicely.
Just gotta sit and stir it for a little while.
Yeah. Okay.
She gonna be thick.
Like
So
me.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
Oh, guys, that's so sweet. My daughter sent me a Mother's Day present from Edible Arrangements. Aw, it's so nice. Guys, I had a wonderful Mother's Day today. This is my second Edible Arrangement gift. Let me put y'all down so I can open it. Guys, I am so happy. Oh, look at that. Oh, guys, look at this. Chocolate covered strawberries. Look at that. Oh, they look so good. Guys, I'm so happy. So happy. So this is my Mother's Day present from Shania, who's in Florida right now. And the hubby took me out to breakfast yesterday morning. We went out to breakfast because we didn't want to deal with the Mother's Day crowds today. And earlier this morning, Noonie gave me a really cute, actually, let me get it. Hold on. Okay, guys, I brought y'all upstairs so I can show you what else I got. So next, Noonie gave me a really cute Bath and Body Works set. It's actually the strawberry pound cake, so let me show you that. There it is, guys, the strawberry pound cake. This is the travel size, so I can take this with me on the plane. She knew I needed some more travel size fragrances and lotions and stuff like that, because mostly all of my sizes are full size, and you know we can't bring those on the plane. So next I got, guys, next I got this. This is the card that Leanna gave me. It says, "You're a mother like no other," and as you can see, it's a picture of my 3 girls on the front. This is so cute. Look at that. Look at my babies. Aw, that's a picture that we took at Shania's house in Winter Park, Florida. They was at the lake. Aw, and on the inside, it says, "Happy Mother's Day. Why did the Bean children give their mom a sweater? She was chilly." From Lily. Oh, this is so sweet. Lily knows that I'm a jokester. I'm always joking around, so of course she would get me a funny card with a nice funny quote inside. And this is what Lily gave to me, guys. Another edible arrangement. I don't want to take the package off just yet, but this is chocolate covered strawberries, cookies, and cheesecake on the inside. I love it, guys. I love it. My babies were so good to me. Okay, so guys, you know I love perfume, right? This is actually a gift to myself, because mothers out there is nothing wrong with gifting yourself, guys. We work hard, and you know, being a mother is always a full-time job, and we deserve to be treated sometimes too, guys. There's nothing wrong with treating yourself. So I went to Macy's, and I love perfume, so I wanted to pick up a nice perfume set. This is Giorgio Armani, and this is the fragrance. See, guys, this smells so good. I am in love with this fragrance. Absolutely in love. And if you love perfumes, Guys, you have to try this. Now, I don't have a list of the notes of this perfume, but guys, you gotta try it. This perfume smells so sexy and elegant, not overwhelming. It is just gorgeous. Love it. Absolutely love it. I would definitely recommend this fragrance for all you women out there who love a really good perfume. All right, guys, so that is all my gifts. I'm telling you, I am like beyond happy today because I received the most amazing gifts today. And it's not all about the gifts, guys, but the love is just everything. Yes, guys, the love is everything. I'm definitely feeling the love this year. So I'm actually getting ready to set the table. Sean alerted me that dinner is just about done. So I'm about to put the tablecloth on this table so we could get ready to go in and prepare our seafood boil bags. So guys, Noonie got jokes. I told her to help me with the tablecloth on the table, right? So I went to the dollar store to get a tablecloth, but they only had mint green. It's bright green tablecloth. Look. So she gonna say, why did you get what you say, the
green screen background?
A green screen background for a tablecloth. Chick, you know good well there's no green screen. Come on. She got jokes. Don't make no sense. A green screen background for the table. Anyway. Okay, everybody. Our dinner is ready. And I want to come on here and show y'all what our dinner is looking like tonight before we devour this food. It's hot in here, guys. I'm in here sweating and everything. It is really hot in here. But okay, let's take a look at this. Look at this, guys. This is our good old seafood boil. Looks delicious. Hubby really did his thing tonight. As you can see, we got that corn on the cob, crab legs, potato, crawfish down in there, and smoked sausage. Look at that. So good. And he made the sauce for the seafood boil separately. So just like I said, he got the bags ready for us. So we're going to customize our own bags and put what we want in it. And then we're going to put the sauce in it separately. And this is a good old, this is just a garlic and herb butter mixture here for the seafood boil. Shake it up. So there you have it, guys. Okay, so I'm going to end the vlog right there, guys. I hope you all have a wonderful day today. Thank you for coming on and, you know, watching our video. Please, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, like, and leave some comments. We love to answer your comments, and if you have any questions about us or whatever, we'd be more than happy to reply to you. Okay, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all take care, be blessed, and stay safe.